is a 2015 Ford Focus, and today we're going to show you how to take out the front bumper cover. This is how the front bumper cover looks on the front. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so we're under the bottom of the car, and there are 6 push pins holding on this bumper cover. It's one here by the wheel. Just going to get this one off. Just like that. Okay. And it's one here. That. And then go all the way around the bumper and pull out all 6. All the way until you get to the last one by the other wheel. Alright, let's do that. After that, you have 2 T30 screws. One down here, and then one right there. You're gonna take those out. Just like that. Take them out on both sides. Alright, so right here where the seam of the bumper is, where it meets the fender, you're gonna look right here, and it's gonna be another clip. You're gonna have to remove that clip out also. Just pull, grab the whole thing, just pull it out. There you go. And do the same thing on the other side. So now we're going to remove the 4 T30 screws for the top of the bumper. You have one here, one over here. Now, as you can see, over here on the side, right in front of the headlight, you got 2 silver ones. Okay, you got one here, and then you got one in the back. Don't remove the one here, that's for the light. Remove the one at the back. Right there. So that's the one you want to remove. And do the same on the other side. Alright, the next thing you're going to do is remove the hood cable, the release cable for the hood. Just going to pop it out. Okay. Pull it up like this. And move it over to the side. And just pull it out. And then we actually have one more T30 screw that's right here at the top up here. It's right here. Take that one out too. So in total, there's 5 T30 screws, 2 silver and 3 black ones. The next thing you're gonna do is take out the 2 clips at the top, right here, right here. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do is go ahead and start to pull the bumper from the car. And you're going to go to the other side and do the same thing. right underneath the headlight, connected to the bumper, is a little hook that you're gonna have to take loose. Hopefully I can get it on camera. It unclips from this part right here. And you're gonna have to do the same thing on the other side. Then after that, you're going to go ahead and pull the bumper off. And that's how you remove the bumper from a Ford Focus 2015. That's it right there. Bumper's off. You can see how this plastic part stays attached to it, so you don't remove these push pins here. And this little part right here is the part where I say it's hooked. You can't see it, but it's hooked over this. If you look up under this light, this little piece right here, you have to pry that up off of this on both sides. See that? And it's one right here too. This, you gotta pry those off to get the bumper to come all the way off. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put the new bumper on. I'm gonna start with putting it on in the middle first. Just like that. If you look here, these right here go inside on both sides. So we're gonna put it in there and push it up. Alright guys, so we got the hood snapped on. You're going to use the T30 screws here, the shorter ones. So you have ones that have big washers on them like this, and then you have the ones that are small like this, okay? These are the ones that go at the top. After that, you're going to put the two silver ones on like this. They go right by the lights. Like that. Now we're going to put the push pins in right here. rest of them go underneath the car and on the sides. Now what we're going to do is attach the cable to the hood release here. And like this, pull over to the side, strap it down like that. Make sure that it works. We're going to go ahead and put the four T30s in the sides of the bumper and put those on. So we got both T30s on each side, and then the next thing we got to do is put this push pin on that side and a push pin on this side in the corners. Just go back to the beginning of the video. These go right where the two T30s go, but up above it just a little bit, okay? Now, this bottom splash shield right here, when you put the bumper on, make sure that this is actually tucked underneath the bumper. Since I didn't tuck it underneath of the bumper, when I put the bumper on, I had to take it off so that I can slide it back up underneath the bumper and then put it back in, all right? These are the 6 push pins that go under the bottom of the lip here. We're going to put those in, and after we do that, we're done. Alright guys, so we have the splash shield tucked inside the bumper. We have all of the T30 screws in, and we have the 6 push pins that go on the outer edge of the bumper put in, and that's it. That's how you get your bumper back on. Everything's on tight, and this is JOATD with another video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please check out my links in my description area. There's a lot of links in there. Some of the tools that I use, I put links in there to Amazon. Alright guys, have a good one.